how to manage your patronage or patrons visibility on your creator account page on Patreon. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do is go to Patreon. This is the home page. Go to your creator account, and then now all what you have to do is just click on edit your page. Now click here on your page settings. And now all what you have to do is simple, just follow with me. Click here on scroll down and you will find patronage visibility. You can make it public or private as you want, and then click save changes. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end.